We are starting out again with the attack of the ducks. Hello, ducky.
I'm the duck whisperer.
All that talking. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, we are the Vagabond Turtle team and this is what we do. Today we would like to take you for another calm walk on the shores of the picturesque Magelungen Lake south of Stockholm. It is a wonderful swimming, fishing, sailing area. The summertime is particularly busy. Many people come for the view of the water and the hike route that is built around the shores and the rocks. Come with us and hope you will enjoy this virtual walk by Magelungen, Stockholm. Oh, the attack of the ducks! Now that I start filming, all of them are here. Yes, tell us, what happened today? What do you say? What did they tell you?
They are like rats. They want food.
Yeah, they want food. Hello?
But they're really polite.
Look at that one. It's like, can you give me something?
Some of them are a bit pushy.
Oh, one is actually under your feet. Oh, he is measuring you up. I need to take a good look of this.
Yes, brother, if I can get the one of the try to find one of yours.
Did you really just say that you want one of them for some bread? You know, it's like, what is that? Is a sacrifice for the gods or?
Yeah, I mean, we need to eat too for the belly. I mean, they got some food, we got some food. That's more than reasonable. I would say that's the natural order of things.
Oh, you guys.
I mean, that's how the ancient perception of God actually appeared. You know, they perceived that their elderlies and the hunters and the strong ones as, you know, the carriers and the protectors. And that's stuck in the human mentality of humans.
Oh.
That's why the king was perceived to be, you know, the God's embassy on earth. He was the protector, the provider, the all-loving father.
Oh.
After 2,000 years, I'm glad we are past that. Are we?
Or are we?
It's probably a thought, whatever.
Yeah. Så allemansrätten or allemansrätten. It's all man's right, which is the right to stay or camp even for 24 hours whenever and wherever you want, with the exception that you can't go on people like gardens, which is like straight in their house gardens, and you cannot leave damage, you cannot stay longer than 24 hours, and you cannot leave trash after yourself.
Yeah, make any alteration or...
You cannot make alterations, you cannot make damage, you need to remove your trash.
And I guess it's that law is bound to pedestrians, so you're not allowed to drive anything or...
It's camping only.
Okay.
And pedestrians.
Yeah, so you can't just, you know, drive on a road, for example, if we're in Dalmas or something.
No. It's to encourage hiking and outdoors activities.
Yeah, exactly.
Oj! Oh, that really fell into the water. Oh, there is some stuff here too. I wanna make a picture of that too, if I may. Oh, it's fine. I think I got a hold of this.
All right.
Here is how we do Instagram.
That's some multi.
Can you press the button on the phone? Oh.
Yes.
Ay, ay, ay. I messed that one. Oj, jätteskön, jätteskön. Oj. I went too far.
So, needless to say, we didn't get the range for the Olympic Games.
But not because of that, I guess. All right, I go ahead. Oh, I love that sparkling on the water. So beautiful. Wait, found one of the friends from winter. There he is. Oh, he's fast. I can't keep up. If you remember, there was a big what's that? It was somewhere here.
Yeah, like an ant.
The ant colony.
See if it's actually up. No.
It must be somewhere here.
Wasn't it before the bridge?
I don't think so. Just wanna show the rocks as well. Beauty, beauty. I think it was somewhere here.
I need to go here one day.
Why do you need to go here?
Because it's beautiful and you know, drinking beer with the right environment can actually make wonders. Do wonders.
Do wonders, yeah. You are trying to explain it to me, but I'm not buying it.
Oh, you sounded very judgmental when you said it.
It's really beautiful. You said the same thing when we were here last time.
Yeah, what's keeping you?
Look, it's the Matrix.
Not real?
No. How can that much beauty be real? And everything tastes like chicken. Are you trying? You're really trying.
Oh.
You are like one of them goats who can
stand
on very steep, non-existent slopes.
I'm actually curious how many of those goats fall to their death.
Well,
I mean, there has to be some plumbing, probably.
Well, natural selection works there, so.
I'm not sure why I wonder that, but
of course you wonder that. Everyone wonders that. Oh, it's warm here. I just can't stop like turning around and around because it's so beautiful.
take it. It's even better than
It looks much better with all the green.
Oh yes.
It's absolutely gorgeous. Well, now it's Zoli's time. The Instaman find a good place to make some pictures.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, need to follow him. Exactly. We should bring out the drone next time.
Sure. Yeah, we should.
Actually, we should bring it out. Tell us, Zoli, how sad you are that you're gonna leave tomorrow. 10 plus. Last time it wasn't open. Yeah, they are. Oh, there they are. Holy, oi, oi, oi. Quite a buzz you have here. Ah, you've gotta love ants. I love these wooden walkways.
Keep it.
I really like these wooden walkways. It's so adventurous. I feel like, oh! Wow. There are so many dry trees now here. I wonder what happened.
Well, I'm not sure what the geological phenomenon.
I don't know. I just realized that there are so many of them. So this is not spider.
No, I'm not sure what it is.
But not spider. Watch out for the vice. It might be caterpillar, yes.
Like the one we saw in the cemetery.
Exactly, that hanging caterpillar. That's what it does. That's why it's hanging. Look at that, Zoli. The geological differences. I think this has some other. I don't dare to say it's iron, even if it's red, because I don't think it is. But
maybe just
copper?
No.
Like iron oxide can do this. It doesn't necessarily mean that it has iron in it.
Yeah, it's just oxidated.
Yes.
But it's cool. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the tour, and if you did, please leave us a like and a comment below and subscribe if you haven't yet. This makes a huge difference for us and we are very grateful for the support. Let us give a big shout out to all our dear patrons. We are blessed to have a wonderful community watching our videos and we truly appreciate all of you. Thank you for watching and following our adventures. We will be back soon with a new adventure. See you guys there!